Hi guys, it's another video, and finally I got my two other new birds. Look how cute they are. And they're apparently golden finches, and they're in this gigantic cage. Like it's from there to there. Wow, epic, right? Massive. Okay. Well, if you didn't know the story of Zeb and Zab, apparently no, they did not fly away. If you didn't know, I'm in Amsterdam now. And Amsterdam is in the Netherlands. Oh, yep. They just tweeted right there. Amsterdam is in the Netherlands, and if you didn't know, my mom apparently loves it here. We didn't move here, we're just staying here for 1 year, you know. When I talk, they actually tweet, if you didn't know. But if you didn't know, this is the craziest... Oh, wait, it's drinking water. Okay, no, it's not. This is one of the craziest news ever. If you didn't know, this is the second day me having them. And if you didn't know, this black face one, this one's actually called Cuty. The one on the left, that's called Cuty, and the red face is called Beauty. Rhymes, yeah. I didn't think of any name until I got them. So apparently Cuty went on my hand. I put seeds and it actually went on my hand, really. It went on my hand, I'm not joking. That was tweeting right there. They don't sing yet. I'm waiting for them because they're still really, really new. But apparently Beauty is really scared right now. But yeah, it went on my hand. We got them in somewhere near Amsterdam. I don't really remember. But they are actually quite cheap for golden finch because they're actually £40 for both of these. Normally they're 100 or 90. But actually this is quite cheap for golden finch, so quite happy. Apparently that's the seeds where I tamed them. I put on my hand, I put it on the floor. There we have vegetables. I put cucumber there, and there's water. They have actually a swing and a bath, but there isn't any water. I'm waiting for them to have a bath as well. But they are my third birds, and apparently Zeb and Zab are in England, and I had to go to Amsterdam. And if you want them to cross the border, you have to pay a whole £300. That is too expensive. So we decided to leave Zeb and Zab with my friend. And then apparently we're gonna have them back. So when we come back to England, we're gonna have them. Oh, hi, Beady. Doesn't know what it is. Okay, well, yeah, and so then we decided to leave them in England with my friend. Apparently Earl, if you don't know him, he's from the typical type. So yeah, he's apparently my friend. But I'm gonna come back to England soon. I like England much better. So, oh, that was loud. So yeah, we left them there, and KLM, that's a plane, an airline. Apparently they said you have to pay 1,200 to get them on the plane. Zeb and Zab. Apparently they can have eggs in February. We bought the nest. That's the nest. How about I show it better? Sorry guys, just grabbing the nest. Okay, here. Okay, that's the nest. They need like privacy. You can't really, I mean, there is a lid, but you can't like disturb them. So yeah, and I guess that is it for this video. I just told you about my new birds. They're very cute. I got them yesterday. But yeah, they are not really that afraid. So yeah, so bye.